Number 113, which of the following is a multiple of 3? So ano ba yung divisibility rule natin para sa 3? Apply natin ang divisibility rule, dapat ang sum ng digits ay divisible by 3 para maging siyang divisible by 3. So i-add lang natin 9 plus 7, that is equal to 16. So 16 is not divisible by 3 kasi may remainder. 15 ang divisible. So we have 31, so i-add natin 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. So 4 again not divisible by 3. So may remainder na 1 ito. Then we have 81. So 8 plus 1 that is equal to 9. Okay. So 9 is divisible by 3 kasi 9 divided by 3 equals sa 3. So therefore the correct answer is letter C, 81. So patunayan lang natin itong next one, 15. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 5 that is equal to 7. So 7 is not divisible by 3. May remainder 1 ito. So the correct answer is letter C, 81. Follow for more.